In this Fusion 360 tutorial, we're going to start off from where we left in our last video with a sketch, but we're going to keep going and extrude it out and show how the extrude tools work. So here we start with our rectangular drawing tool on our sketch and dimension it out like we did last time. We're going to make a 25mm by 25mm square. Then we're going to finish the sketch, select the extrude tool in the ribbon. It'll automatically select the profile we just drew in our sketch, and we're going to extrude it out 15mm. Now we have a nice square, and this is where Fusion 360 gets powerful because we can start a sketch and select the top surface of our extrusion as our new plane. And from here we're going to make some construction lines to find the center of our new cube, and then place a circle there. We'll make a little Lego shaped object. Now we can extrude this profile up just like the last one. And we're done. That's our little Lego.